Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another day in my dad's week. Today I'm going to be making a card that is the exact same card that I made for Mother's Week, but I'm using a different pattern paper. So this is a great way to show you how you can make a card that can either be used for, you know, a woman or someone more feminine or more masculine. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be using Truly Tailored, but I just want this dad. And then I'm going to be using the Apron of Love. And I'm not using any of the stamp sets except for the apron, but I'm going to be cutting out the apron, the pocket, and the thing that goes around the neck. I have a piece of the Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper. This is the one that is the stripe with the, oh my word, Misty, brain. Pineapples, and all I did was I cut this down to 5 1/4, and then I cut it at 4. So this piece measures 4 by 5 1/4, and this measures 2 by 5 1/4, and that's a really easy way to cut down your DSP. I'm going to be stamping on this yellow for my apron, and I'm going to be using Crushed Curry. This is the stitched satin ribbon, which is retiring. And I'm going to be using this, and whereas last week I used the corduroy ribbon. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to stamp using Early Espresso. Let me bring in a piece of scrap piece of crumb cake here. We'll start by stamping the dad sentiment. I really wanted this dad over the dad that's in the Apron of Love stamp set because this is a bit more of the look I'm going for. And that's truly the only reason. And I'm stamping in Early Espresso because I don't want to bring any black into this. Plus I wanted it to stand out. So I'm going to ink up my apron. Try to do this as straight as possible. I probably should have cut this down. That's all right. Oh, just a second. No, straight. You know what? Since this isn't a solid piece, I'm not going to cut out the a solid pattern. I'm not going to cut out the strap. Put that back. Pocket as well. This will go on the front of our apron. I'm not going to add any other sentiment. On the other one I had that circle. I don't think I'm going to do that this time. We'll see. All right, I'm going to run these through my Big Shot and I will be right back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with my card base. So let's adhere these two together. This is the Tutti Frutti DSP, which is retiring. All of the Designer Series paper is retiring. So if there's any that you like, I know there's a couple packs. I know the coffee pack, Coffee Cafe is already out of stock. And I'm sure there are a couple more that I'm just not remembering. Foxy is in the window watching birds. I don't know if you guys can hear them. They're pretty loud. We're having a beautiful day here in Texas. Got all the windows open in the house. Just a really pretty day, and she is taking advantage of it full show. So I'm just using washi tape to adhere this down. And then I'm going to go ahead and just adhere this with snail. I have a crumb cake card base that measured 4 1/4 by 11, which I have scored at 5 1/2. And I have a Whisper White card layer on the inside that also measures 4 by 5 1/4. Get these adhered together. It's like, what did I do to my snail? Get this added with dimensionals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. That way you stay subscribed and you get to see all of my videos. I may switch back to my Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. I haven't quite decided, but I will definitely let you guys know if I go in that direction. All my videos go live at 6 p.m. Central Time. I feel like it needs something else, and I really like this bow tie. Let's stamp this bow tie. Hi. Do you want out? You gotta give me a minute. I really should have stamped this first, but that's okay. And I didn't care for these yesterday, but I think I'm gonna like these today. These are the White Perfect Accents, which are also retiring. You know what, let's color these. You can color these using any alcohol marker. I'm of course gonna use our Stamping Blends, which will be coming back. And there's a ton of more colors. I'm so excited. So excited. This is the dark Daffodil Delight marker, but it will do. The color we're using is Crushed Curry, but the dark one definitely looks more Crushed Curry. So I'm gonna give these a second to dry. The good news is alcohol ink dries really quickly. Alright guys, that's it for today's card. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget you can follow the blog post down below to head over to see the link to the blog post down below to see up close personal cards, up close pictures. Oh my word. You also find supply list and my April specials there. Don't forget, if there's anything on that clearance rack or that retiring list that you're interested in, all of those are while supplies last, so make sure you get what you want. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.